Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Freezer smoothie packs. When you desire a smoothie, remove a package from the freezer. Place 1 cup of liquid in the blender, or 1/2 cup liquid and 1/2 yogurt. Pour the fruit in the blender, and blend. This option allows you to prep smoothies up to 6 months in advance, about 2 to 3 months if you're using greens.
Take our lead.
According to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, perishable foods that are supposed to be refrigerated, like juice, can only be left out at room temperature for 2 hours before it's considered unsafe to consume.
Let's help you make your mark.
It's still safe to drink a smoothie with discolored bananas. Smoothies with other fruits may keep for several days in an airtight container in the fridge. If the drink was made with fruit that was already going soft, drink it as soon as possible.
Let's help you make your mark.
Here's the problem. Too much sugar, sweetened fruit juice, sugary frozen yogurt, dollops of honey, all those bananas, and too much fat, that frozen yogurt again. Frozen fruit will help keep your smoothies thick and frosty. Toss in some protein.
Take our lead.
When freezing Greek yogurt, make sure to use them within 2 months. Yogurt may get a little grainy when frozen, but once you whisk it well or incorporate it into your smoothie, you won't be able to taste the difference.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.